We're making tostadas. A popular misconception about tostadas is they have to be fried. They really don't have to be fried. Tostada means toasted, so it's a toasted tortilla. And how do you make toast? We're gonna toast it on the comal and then make a tostada in 3 different ways. That's all I have to say about that.
Just to show the versatility?
Yeah, just to show the versatility, we're gonna show you 3 different ways to dress up a tostada. Cool. So first, we're gonna basically just set this up the same way we would a tortilla. In order to make a tortilla, we're going to be using a tortilla press, 2 sheets of plastic. I'm gonna press out a tortilla. And I'm going to, gotta turn it on first. Key to making a tostada really crunchy is to gradually remove the moisture. So I'm gonna actually have this on a bit of a lower heat setting. So it's on medium heat. Once I get a nice sear and kind of accelerate that cooking, get a little bit of color and char on one side, other side, I'm gonna then just lower the heat and let it keep toasting, flipping it every once in a while until it completely dries out. And when it's done, it literally should sound like that dry. It's gonna have little to no moisture at all. It's gonna have an incredibly crunchy bite. I don't know, start to finish, depending on how high your heat is, it might take about, I don't know, like 10, 15, even 20 minutes. But you just gotta be patient with it. You can even use a diffuser if you're worried about your tostada overcooking and you don't wanna constantly be like watching it and flipping it. A diffuser is just something that'll separate, usually some kind of like metal, I don't know. Anyway, let's make some tostadas.
Get my cut. We have flaky salt.
Here are 3 of my favorite ways to dress a tostada. We've got ceviche, super simple, I don't even know what it is, tuna, halibut, swordfish, halibut. This is an octopus conserva and a little bit of olive oil. We have a sustainably caught sushi grade tuna, which we are going to put on top of a salsa matcha mayo. Okay, starting with salsa matcha mayo. I have mayo straight from the can, and I'm going to add a little bit of our salsa matcha here. All right, so that's ready to go. I'm gonna take a little bit of that mayo, lather that over the top, and then I'm gonna take our tuna, chili oil, just a tiny bit, and some lime juice. And just a little bit of salt. Okay, first tostada ready to go. All right, next up, pulpo tostada. This has like a little bit of spices going on in there. I'm gonna add a little bit of citrus, some cilantro, and top it off with a little bit of salt. Good. Second tostada ready to go. Let's go for the third. For our third tostada, I mentioned we have a ceviche. That's it. Super fun, easy party food. I usually have a bunch of these at home ready to go at any given time. They store for months and are just a really satisfying, fun way to share food with others.